A missing Blackout Bingo icon after an update does not necessarily mean the app was deleted. On Android and iPhone, an update can change where an app appears, remove it from a home screen, or leave the installation intact but hide the shortcut. You can usually fix this by checking whether Blackout Bingo is still installed, searching for it directly, and then restoring the icon to your home screen. First, search for Blackout Bingo instead of looking through your home screen manually. On Android, open the app drawer and use the search field. If Blackout Bingo appears there, the app is still installed. Press and hold the icon and use the option to add it to the home screen. On iPhone, swipe down from the middle of the home screen and search for Blackout Bingo. If it appears in the results, tap it to confirm the app is installed. You can also open the app library by swiping left past your final home screen page, then search for Blackout Bingo there. If you find the app but the icon is missing from the normal home screen, the problem is with the shortcut rather than the installation. Add the app back to the home screen instead of reinstalling it. Next, check the App Store listing. Open Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and search for Blackout Bingo. If the store shows an open button, the app is already installed on the device. If it shows a download or cloud button instead, the app is not currently installed. If Blackout Bingo is installed but will not appear in search or the app drawer, restart the phone before doing anything more complicated. A restart can refresh the launcher and restore an icon that disappeared after an update. Also check whether the app was moved into a folder or hidden through your device's home screen settings. On some Android phones, launchers include options for hidden apps, while iPhone lets you remove apps from individual home screen pages without uninstalling them. Avoid clearing app data or deleting Blackout Bingo immediately if you are trying to preserve your current app state. Reinstalling should be a later troubleshooting step, especially if you are unsure how your account progress is synchronized. So, the 3 things to check are simple. Search for Blackout Bingo, confirm its status in the App Store or Google Play Store, and restore the shortcut if the app is still installed. Your next step is to search your phone for Blackout Bingo right now. If the app appears, restore its icon instead of reinstalling it. If this fixed the missing icon, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.